Hello, in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to check if an element exists in a web page. This can be important for a variety of reasons. But one good reason is if you want to check the page you're on. For instance, you may want to check if a visitor has visited your, let's say, contact page. Okay, and your contact page has an ID. You may want to find a way to detect if the ID of that page exists, then you can run some code. Okay, so how we'll go about this is will be different today. We will visit we will visit a website and try to download a free theme. So I can say free HTML themes. Okay, then we can click this and you can view this free template. You can look at a live demo here and see it looks nice. Okay, so this should work for our tutorial. Okay, so I will download this. Okay, okay, let's see this. um okay, can open the location of that. Then I can, okay, close that. Okay, then let me come here, then click here, then can paste it. All right, okay. All right, so what we can do now is this. Let's extract it. We extract all. Okay, then after extracting this, we can open the page here, and yes, we can just open with the VS Code. Okay, okay, let me see. Let me make this standalone. Okay, all right. Okay, okay, yeah. So this should work. So open it here. What's going on? Yeah, paste it. So I can increase the font size and close this. So let's look at what we got. Let's try to open the web page. Um, let's try to open it with, okay, so this is the web page here. Okay, so we have let's see. Okay, I think, is this a one page website? No, definitely not. Okay, so we have the home, we have about, we have classes. Okay, and we have blog. Okay, let's see the code here. Let's assume we want to check if the if we're on the home page section, or we're on the home page. Okay, these are different pages, not sections. So let's say we want to detect if we're on the home page. This is still in line in checking if a web page element exists. You can use it for virtually anything. You can use it to check classes. You can use it to check different web page elements. You can use it to check for whether there's a carousel, whether there is a web form, whether the user is on a page, whether, so many things, whether an image exists, just about anything. Okay, so how do we go about this? First, we'll delve into the code. Okay, so after delving into the code, what we see here is, of course, we have a lot of HTML here. We have a header. We have a header here. We have sections. So this is the home page. For instance, you can see boxer here. We can see boxing center. So I believe this is it here, boxing center. This is the carousel here. So let's check whether we're on the home page. Now we can check for an ID. We can come here and check for an ID and see. But we don't have any ID, but we have a header section. A header section. Okay. So what we can do is I can search, and as you can see, we only have one header section in this page. So we're safe enough to check if header section. We can categorize the class here as an as an ID, so to say. Okay. Um, Now we'll have to scroll to the bottom to check for some script tags. So we have some JavaScript running here at the bottom of the page. We have a script tag here. We have a script tag here, apparently running the out carousel. We have a my map here, apparently running a Google Maps, a Google Maps plugin, I believe. So what can we do? Let's see whether we can hijack one of these script tags here. We can hijack one of these script tags here and run our own stuff. Okay. So in fact, we can even lean on some of the work done here. So here is getting, there's an ID being selected here and a class list. So I believe this is a toggle functionality, a menu toggle functionality. Okay, I believe that. So I can leave the code here. Can leave the code here and come here. We don't need to make it a function. I want to make it simple. Okay, and say document gets, okay, no, not that. We need a second one because it's a class we're running. Okay, can come here and say document or query selector. Let's see. I'll come here, header section. I can undo then redo to take me back to where I was. So I want this to target. Okay, hold on. Oh, I can copy that. Header section. Okay, header section. Then we'll just paste that here. I don't know why it's not selecting. Header section. Okay, header section. Okay, header section. There we go. Class list. Okay, so what we want to do is this. We want to get the class list, then length. Okay, so I can say we can say header. We can say let header equals that. Then we can end then say alert header. Okay, the length should be this. Okay, let's see. So we can come here, we can reload this, and we have one. So what does this tell us? All we've essentially done is this. We have queried the selector. Let's just say we've selected the header section class, and we're alerting the number of headers we have, which is one. Okay, so of course in a real life setting we'll probably not need to just alert that. Probably want to code something much more reasonable. So let's say something more reasonable will be this. So now let's just say to check if element exists, we can say if header, okay, then we can end and say we run some specific code. We can say alert header here. Okay, so we can save that, then come here and see, and it still says one. So that's that. So if we're in the home page, we can maybe print we can say, so we can just say alert and just say congratulations user for coming for visiting this page. Enjoy this free thing. Okay, so this would only run if there is a of header section. Okay, so you can come here and reload that and say congratulations user for visiting this page. Enjoy this free thing. Okay, so that's how we check if an element exists on a web page. Thank you.